Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new trade-in, a 2019 Harris Solstice 220, freshwater only, single owner boat. All right, so the 220 Solstice is traditionally one of our best-selling luxury pontoon boats. This one's in probably the most popular floor plan, which is the SL. So L bench with a flip-flop backrest so you can sit backwards if you're pulling kids on the tubes or on the skis or whatever. Boat does have a water sports tower and also comes with a full-length bimini top. So with both biminis open, you can get shade from roughly back here all the way to the very, very front of the boat. 250 horsepower, so plenty of power to pull the kids on the tubes and the skis. And this one also has the full lighting package, so underwater lights, under the rub rail, cup holders, seat bases, and speakers, as well as the pillow top interior and the big JL audio system. So JL subwoofer, JL amps all the way around. Nice boat, probably won't stay on a lot long. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.